Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this video, we are going to talk about how to insert a button with a custom link in your blog post. The first thing that we need to do is start creating a new post. So from the post section in your dashboard, click on Add New. And let's give it a title. Let's put some content here. And now it's time to add the button. So here you can see this HTML5 insert widget. Just click on it and it will open a pop-up. Here we can put the HTML. Here you can see we are using the HTML8 tag, which is used to hyperlink. Now, in that we have two attributes. The first one is href and the second one is class. Now, for the href, you need to put the link to the website which you want to connect to. So there will be a button, and once someone click on that, they will be redirected to this link that you put right here. Now, for the class, all the themes has one common class, which is called button-brand. If you use this one, it will create a button with your brand color. Now, if you click on add, this is added. Now let's publish this as a blog post. And once this is done, let's have a look at our blog. So here you see the button got added with the brand color, and there's a link inside the button. So if I click on it, it will redirect me to bloghunch.com, which we have added in the href. So this is how easily you can insert a button in your blog post.